Hey guys, welcome back. I am Aishwarya from Digital to Design. In this series of tutorials, we're going to cover everything from basic to advanced concepts in search engine optimization. In this session, we're going to look into the types of SEO techniques. So, in SEO, we can divide these techniques into 4 different categories. The first one is white hat SEO, the second is black hat SEO, the third is grey hat SEO, and the last one is negative SEO. If you're attending interviews for SEO positions, this question will likely come up. It can be asked in 2 different ways. The first way is, what are the types of SEO? And the second way is, what are the types of SEO techniques? They may look like similar questions, but they are different. If they ask you about the types of SEO techniques, you should mention these 4 types. Okay, let's look into the details of each one by one. First one is white hat SEO. It is where every company follows while doing their SEO work. For example, it includes uploading relevant content on their web page, using keyword-rich page titles, doing proper metadata on their own page, and placing relevant inbound links on all their pages. It helps users navigate easily and optimizes the website for fast loading. It also helps in keeping the content organized on the website. For example, if you have a product-based or service-based website, you need to create a structure that helps users find your services and products easily. Other things include promoting your website on social media and optimizing it based on Google Webmaster Guidelines. Most of the time, we use on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO, all of which come under white hat SEO because we follow Google Webmaster Guidelines. I hope you understand what white hat SEO is. Next is black hat SEO. It's used when you want to quickly index your website or make your keywords rank at the top. Examples include keyword stuffing and hidden text techniques. For instance, using white text on a white background so humans can't see it, but search engines can. Other examples are using plagiarized content, taking content from different websites and using it on your website. Next, purchasing backlinks and stuffing keywords into your meta description. Also, creating similar web pages by slightly modifying a blog post and duplicating the content. Cloaking is another technique where different content is shown to users and search engines. Private blog networks are where groups of website owners agree to exchange links. These techniques can improve your website ranking quickly, but once search engines find out, your website will be blacklisted. Next is grey hat SEO, which is almost similar to black hat SEO. It includes reusing the same content for blog posts and creating more pages with slightly modified content. It also involves link exchanges, purchasing social media followers, paying for reviews, using duplicate content, and using clickbait titles. These practices are not strictly against guidelines, but are still questionable. The last technique is negative SEO, which targets competitor websites to spoil their reputation. Examples include copying competitors' content and posting it elsewhere, hacking their websites, and creating spammy backlinks to their site. It also includes posting fake negative reviews about competitors and sending fake removal requests to get their backlinks removed. Most SEO experts focus on white hat SEO to build and protect their websites. It's important to follow best practices and stay vigilant against negative SEO attacks from competitors. I hope you now understand the types of SEO techniques, how they work, and their impact on rankings. If you have any questions or doubts, mention them in the comments and I'll answer as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital to Design. See you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye guys.